Most of the times you work with JavaScript, you need to store some information. In JavaScript, you can use variables and you have three ways to declare a variable. You have var, let, and const. Each way is unique and is used for different use cases. Let and const are new additions in JavaScript, and we will explain them in a different season. A var variable has a name and an optional value. To create a var variable, use the var keyword, give it a name, and pass a value. We can use console.log to output the value. As you can see, we get 100. Of course, in order to use a variable, you have to declare it, as we have done here. If you try to use a variable that is not declared, for example, console.log company, you will get an error, company is not defined. To fix this, you have to create the company variable. So if I say down here var company and I go back, the error disappears. However, we get undefined. Undefined is one of the primitive data types. You can first declare a variable and then you can give it a value, or you can do everything in one line, as we have done here for the price. As you can see now, we also get the company name. Variable names in programming is a big topic. You have to use meaningful names to your variables. Furthermore, you have some limitations when it comes to naming. A JavaScript name or identifier, which is the official terminology, must start with a letter, underscore, or a $sign. Subsequent characters can also be digits. Also, an identifier cannot be a reserved word. For example, var, let, const are reserved words. Later, you will encounter more reserved words such as if, for, switch, and so on. JavaScript is case sensitive, which means that var first name and var first name with uppercase N are different. They are not the same variable. Even though they have the same naming, first name and first name, the second one uses an uppercase N and they are not the same variable. To check whether your variable name is valid or not, you can use this website. And if you want, you can read more about some special name cases in this website. Apparently, we can use Unicodes and be creative with the variable names.